free every moment. Here's tomorrow's conflicts, just enjoy the moment. Make the most of life. Catch me in the zone, flow me to the beat. Life's so sweet. There's no time for worries, just enjoying the ride. Every moment. Like there's no tomorrow, no, it's true. But when unexpected surprises arise, I pray